Hey, welcome back. We're getting right into it today. We're gonna get after this 305 and tear this apart, bro. Hey, welcome back to Human Refurbished, where we pretend our 305 is a great rig. Wait, I see a three-legged dog. It wasn't a three-legged dog. He just had a weird gait. Anyways, yeah, in this episode we're gonna get into doing the engine dress-up kit. I'm gonna check kind of valve clearances while I've got the valve covers off. We're gonna change the gasket out. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze in the oil change. I'd like to check the plugs. I've got some belts to change out. I've got the kickdown cable to change out. And I've got some brake lines to change out. I don't know what of those things we're going to catch in this episode, but I'm going to get after it. God, I look like shit. I'm getting old.
In this episode, I get into my small block Chevy.
Couple grasshoppers showing off to each other.
Anyways, welcome back. This is Human Refurbished. Well, if I'm gonna make a video about doing some stuff, I better clean up my garage because it's looking real rough. Yeah. Let's get this thing warmed up. Something's going on here. It just keeps dying. Not sure why. Is the fuel pump on? No. Sending unit finally went out. Oh crap. I'll bring it in here. So yeah, you can see that fuel filter's dry in here. Super dry. I may need to do something here. I'll leave this rolling. And watch this as I try to turn it over and see if I can get some fuel up there. Yeah, so it seems like the tank selector got pushed over by one of my occupants last week, and I ran out of gas on the right side. It's not a big deal. because as you saw, I got it back over to the left tank where we filled up, and we're all filled up, and we got fuel pressure again. I know the fuel pump that I put in here 10 years ago was in good shape, so yeah, the gas looks really good now. That might have just warmed up. Anyways, we'll see what happens in a bit.
I ran out of gas. Did I tell you that already? But I just got gas. And I jumped in the cab, and I don't know if I caught that, but somebody was fat fingering my tank selector switch on my dash. Threw it to the right side, and I ran out of gas.
But let's do stuff.
Come in here the long, annoying way that I didn't want to have to do. I'm gonna have to sneak in, yeah. I am. Let me get these gloves on. It's about to be dirty. Dirty. Okay. Just finishing up the drain there. I wiped that all clean. I don't see any debris. I'll take a look at it better when it's done draining here now at the end.
All right, while the oil's draining, I'm actually going to lower the Chevy down and let it get the last drops out of it, and also give myself better access in this area here. I think we're going to take the valve covers off and inspect stuff, but I can't really get to it with it doing the old Carolina squat here, so hold on. Alright, here we got the valve covers off. We're going to look at, see if any of these valves are in bad shape. They don't. That one's a little loose back here. Yeah. Everything else feels good on this side. Let me go over here.
Start the back. Yeah, that's good. That's good. 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 Good.
Yeah, I feel good about that. Alright, so that's it mocked up. Let's take a look here. So, don't know how much I missed there, but right now I'm trying to get these spark plug combs back on the valve covers. We're getting close. I've got to find a better tool. This nut driver's a little long. This is a little bit unruly back there, although it does have a magnetic bit. I could probably get back there like this. Let's see what I can do with that.
Let's give that a shot.
Alright, here real quick before I get started, what I've got here is some ARP valve cover hardware. It comes with a specialty washer. You can see the inner race. It's got a bevel on it. There is no bevel on the inside diameter that I can see, so the fact that I lost a washer earlier doesn't matter because I found one that works. Let's go ahead and get into this.
small block Chevy cleaned up. Alright, let's talk about what we've done here. Let me bring you in a little closer. So new valve covers. These are the combs I kept mentioning here. And then these little guys here, it's almost like a mating surface flange. I had to clean those up. There's maybe some juice I can get on those. But those go on top and bottom. You can see it underneath the mess of vacuum and stuff here. Same down there. Kind of got the combs. What you want to do with your spark plugs, you want to get them up and away from your header so that you don't have a melted spark plug. You'll start having weird misses and that kind of stuff. That hole. There's all kinds of oil down that, but looks like I'm good. We definitely were emptied. Okay. Yeah, get this stuff kind of cleaned up as we go. Alright, let's get this thing started up and see how she does. Right, doesn't know how to get right, never will be right. Just kidding, it's getting on its way right now. With low blood sugar and other things that plague hummingbirds and chihuahuas. Take a look. We've got a few more things to do in here, but what we got done is, you know, we did the valve covers. Okay, we got that squared away. We got the new hat on there. Looks like I've got some problems. A couple of things going on here. I've got some little leaks here I may have just introduced. We'll chase those down in the next time. So we're back at it. A few more things to do. I've got belts. I've got exhaust manifold. I've got brake lines. I've got a kickdown cable. I've got some other little randos, but I think that's it for this week. But hey, until next time, this is Human Refurbished. Bye. Fires going down there in the valley. In any case, I got like a ton of extra subs last week, like 8, which is a huge number for me. So for those of you that just joined the channel, it's what I look forward to. It's just growing this community out and seeing how much I can learn, and you know, if I'm able to show something, little tips and stuff that I've picked up along the way in my career. Well, that's it. That's sick, and you guys can join me and tell me all the bad stuff I'm doing, and I can tell you why I did what I did, and I'll be honest with you. And I gotta get these damn coffee doors out of here. But other than that, take care till next time. Peace.